Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're back here for another episode of
Not Salon, Salon.
Not a Salon.
And I'm going to do Daddy's makeup, and he looks kind of worried.
Yeah, Lila's been begging to do my makeup, so basically that's what's happening in this video. Lila's just gonna go to town with all the makeup here and make Daddy beautiful. All right, Mommy said let's get started first with the eyeshadow.
Yeah, I have 3 of them. This one with tons of beautiful colors.
I should probably take my glasses off.
Some of my favorite colors, pink. Do you see that pink right there?
All right.
And there's another one here. And we just have a plain blue one. Kind of pretty. And we have some brushes. So, are you ready, Daddy?
Let's do it.
Like this.
I look weird without glasses.
Close your eyes. Okay, so I add some color to Daddy's. So there, you kind of look a little silly. So I'm gonna make some wings that come out like right here. On the top is gonna be pink and the bottom is gonna be blue. So, now I'm gonna do the the blue, and look how silly Daddy looks. He's just like, what? And what is wrong with my face?
You look like one of the girls from Glow.
Okay, I'm done. Now we're gonna do my dad's blush. So, can I show you what color it is? It's really pretty. Look, it's purple. Stick on your cheeks, Daddy. Done. So next is highlighter. You can see it's really shiny. So fancy did it. Now let's open it. Whoa. So the next step is lipstick. Pick any one you want. Well, I say this one is way easier than this one for me. So I'm going to use this one. Done. The next step is eyebrows. Here's the pen, and here's the brush. So I'm gonna do the brush first. Does it tickle?
No.
Okay. Please turn it on. Kind of.
So now,
Look how pretty it is.
do you know how to put it on? Tell Daddy to blink.
Blink.
Keep blinking.
Daddy looks like Joker. So this is my reveal of my dad's makeup. Daddy, you kind of look silly. You kind of look like Joker. Now do a big smile for the camera.
Well, here's the finished project. I knew once I had a daughter that this day would come eventually, and it has come today. It's very unique, Lila. If Rainbow Bright had a ninja assassin army, I'd probably be part of it. That's what I look like. Beautiful but deadly.
That was a little silly. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna get back. Bye.
Hi. Hey, where are you going?
I'm kind of scared of you, Tyler.
All right, everyone. Thanks for checking out our episode. Please subscribe, check out our websites, and check out our blogs. See you later.